Hi everybody. I'm going to show you how to get your Python set up. The first thing you're going to need to do is you need to go to python.org and you're going to need to install it. So download, if you're on a Windows machine, you're going to get the Windows. You're going to download it and you're going to install it and you should be good. But I've already done that. I've already installed mine, so I need to find out where I installed it. I'm going to type in the Windows search bar, Python. I'm going to look for the file location. All right, it gave me a shortcut. That'd be great if I just wanted to open Python, but I actually want to find out where I installed it on my computer. So I'm going to right click it again. I'm still looking for it. So I still would like to open the file location. Aha, here's python.exe. That's what I'm looking for. It's not a shortcut anymore. Properties. Then I'm going to highlight with my mouse where it is, the location, the path. I'm going to highlight it. I control C, or I could have right clicked, copy. Either way works. Okay, I've got that. So I'm going to open, let me close these, a new command prompt window here. Open it up. I want to go to where I have the Python. So we're going to right click. That will bring up that copy pasted file path. Or I could do control V. Either one works. I'm going to hit enter. I'm in, it's good. I'm going to type cd scripts. And then I'm going to type pip install NLTK. You're going to get a slightly different result here because I've already installed NLTK, so I'm good. But when you get this, when you've installed Python, take a screenshot of the command prompt window to just show me that you've installed it and we're good. This NLTK, what it is it's a library. So that's going to let us do a lot of different natural language processing type tasks. The first thing we're going to do with it is install and look for ngrams rather. All right, guys, have a great day.